Get ready for a life-changing experience. Join us on a 21-day journey to a healthier you with the incredible Smoothie Diet, crafted by health coach and nutrition expert Drew Skoudas. Meet Drew Skoudas, a pioneer in health and wellness with over 23 years of expertise. Today, we unveil a program that's not just about weight loss, but a complete lifestyle transformation. Drew's Smoothie Diet community has collectively shed over 40,000 pounds and achieved lasting success. What makes the Smoothie Diet stand out? It's simple. For 21 days, replace 2 meals with delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies. Worried about snacks and whole meals? Worry not. The Smoothie Diet Guide includes sample meals, snacks, and even vegetarian options. Planning made easy. But why is the Smoothie Diet so effective? Weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. Drew's program eliminates harmful foods, boosts metabolism, and reduces cravings without leaving you hungry. The results? Thousands have achieved incredible transformations. Dive into the features of the Smoothie Diet. With 36 delicious recipes, weekly shopping lists, and a 21-day rapid fat loss plan, this program ensures you know exactly which smoothie to have for maximum results. Convenience meets effectiveness. Real stories, real results. Hear from those who've embraced the Smoothie Diet by clicking to the link in description below. The best part? You have the flexibility to include a flex day every week, enjoying 3 regular meals. It adapts to your lifestyle, making it easy to manage even with an unpredictable schedule. Ready to join the Smoothie Diet community? Whether you want to lose 10 or 70 pounds, this program is designed for you. It's not just a 21-day fad, it's a sustainable, healthy eating plan. Visit the link in the description to learn more and claim your special discount. Here's to a healthier you. Thank you for watching. Don't miss out on this transformative journey. Subscribe, like, and share to spread the goodness of the Smoothie Diet. Stay healthy, stay happy.